Dr. Roy CJ, popularly known as CJ Roy, founder and chairman of the Confident Group, was found dead at his office near Richmond Circle in central Bengaluru on January 30th. Police said the incident is being treated as an apparent suicide and that he suffered a gunshot injury. An investigation is ongoing. CJ Roy was a well-known real estate developer with business interests across India and Middle East. He founded the Confident Group in 2006 and built it into a major player in the real estate sector. The company has delivered over 165 projects and developed more than 43 million square feet, according to information on its website. Originally from Kerala and raised in Bengaluru, CJ Roy was highly educated and held a PhD. He had studied in France and Switzerland and began his professional career with Hewlett Packard before turning entrepreneur. Beyond business, he was involved in philanthropy and public service. He supported flood rehabilitation in Kerala, funded medical treatments for underprivileged patients, and served as the honorary consul of the Slovak Republic for Karnataka and Kerala. CJ Roy was also widely known for his passion for luxury cars and owned a high-profile collection that included Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, and other rare models. Media reports had estimated his net worth at over $1 billion. His sudden death has caused shockwaves across the real estate industry and business circles, with many remembering him as a self-made entrepreneur who rose from humble beginnings to global success.